As the due date is arriving for filing income tax return, for regular taxpayers, that is, 31st July 2021, Income Tax Department has extended the deadline for filing income tax return for the financial year 2020-21, that is, for the assessment year 2021-22, from 31st July 2021 to 30th September 2021. The decision was taken in the wake of the second wave of coronavirus pandemic in the country. I believe most of the people will be aware of the same.
Hello everyone, and welcome to CS Connect. If you find the video useful, like it, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get the notification, as and when we post our videos. We take lots of effort to prepare these videos, as we are also working, and have very tight schedule to make videos. Your views, subscription, and comments are the only thing which motivates us to make more videos, otherwise, it will be very difficult to share our experience through videos. If anyone want videos on income tax, GST, ROC, or Companies Act, comment below. We will try to make those videos. Let us move to the topic of the video.
Casually, we say that Income Tax Department has extended the deadline for filing income tax return, but Income Tax Department is administered by Central Board of Direct Taxes, in short CBDT, and they only extend these due dates for filing income tax return. CBDT came into effect from 1st January 1964. Before CBDT, Central Board of Revenue used to handle income tax matters. Came into existence as a result of Central Board of Revenue Act 1924. Central Board of Revenue was charged with administration of direct and indirect taxes. When tax administration became too wide and Central Board of Revenue was not able to handle administration of both direct and indirect taxes, the board was split into two: Central Board of Direct Taxes and Central Board of Excise and Customs. With effect from 1st January 1964. Currently, for income tax, we need to follow Income Tax Act 1962, which came into force on and from 1st April 1962. Most of the people think that income tax in India was introduced by Indian government. But it has got its own history. Income tax was introduced in India way before achieving independence. Before Income Tax Act 1961, few more acts were enacted to take care of income tax in India. Before Income Tax Act 1961, there were Income Tax Act 1922, Income Tax Act 1918, Income Tax Act 1886. In India, income tax was first time introduced in the year 1860 by Sir James Wilson to fulfill the loss caused on account of military mutiny in 1857. The first budget of India was introduced in February 1860. James Wilson came to India in 1859 and helped the British government reeling under financial stress in the wake of Sepoy Mutiny of the First War of Independence. The British government was facing huge debt as it had to expand on military forces. His financial budget helped the British government revenue its expenditures. He argued that the British government gave the traders a safe environment to trade and were entitled a fee in the form of income tax. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, press like button, subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification when we post our next video.